How to make a YouTube short from start to finish with a realistic AI avatar.
Let's get started.
Everything you see in this YouTube short will be generated by AI. So to kick things off, I've used Chat GPT 4 to generate some video ideas for my history channel. I then asked it to write an automatic video script based on one of those. And I've ended up with this text right here about how Abraham Lincoln was actually an accomplished wrestler before he became US president. But this next part of the process is key. I always recommend making some changes to your AI script yourself, adjusting some of the wording, moving some of the sentences around for a better flow. I'm also going to create a seamless loop from the outro to the intro. This is actually pretty common with YouTube Shorts because it helps to boost retention, and it's just a little trick that Chat GPT can't do, even if you ask it to. So my script is now ready to go, and I could just go ahead and record it to my camera, but now I don't even have to. Instead, I'm going to put together the entire video using the mind-blowing AI tools inside the VEED video editor. So after you've signed up, select new video, create project, and I'm going to start with a blank canvas. And as you can see, by default, it's opened up the editor with a 16:9 landscape frame. So first things first, I'm going to go over to settings and change the size of the frame to a YouTube short by using the preset in the drop-down menu. And now we can add some real AI magic. You might have already seen how you can make text-to-speech videos without recording anything yourself. All you need to do is type in whatever you want your video to say, choose a voice style, and a voiceover will be automatically generated for your project. Something like this.
Welcome to my video.
But now you can give your AI voice a face as well. Over on the left-hand side of the editor, select Elements and then open up the menu of AI Avatars, where you will find 50 different options for artificial video hosts. These people are completely AI generated, so they don't actually exist, and you can make them say pretty much whatever you want within reason. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose one that I like. This guy here looks a little bit like a professor, so that's going to suit the style of video that I'm making. You can then select any of the languages from the drop-down menu, and that's yet another bonus. Every single avatar is multilingual, but I'm going to stick with English for mine. You can also change your mind about which AI character you want to use in the second menu here, and you can now type whatever you want your avatar to say in the text box. So I'm going to go ahead and copy my entire AI script, paste it into the box, and hit add to project. Now it can take a few minutes to actually generate your avatar, especially if your script is quite long, but when it's finished, it will get added to the timeline, and now we can give it a watch.
Abraham Lincoln was one of America's greatest leaders, but he also had a secret skill.
Well, that is pretty cool. I'm now just going to move my avatar slightly by clicking and dragging the edges like so, and you can change the size by using this same method. Now, one thing to bear in mind is that VEED's avatars are a part of the business plan, so to find out more about what that actually means, you can check out the link in the description below. But the VEED subscription also gives you access to a ton of other AI tools that are going to make this video really easy to put together. For example, you might have noticed how there was quite a long pause between the first two sentences of my avatar clip. But luckily, I can remove all of the silences from my video with just one click. With my clip selected, all I need to do is go to the silence remover over on the left-hand side, and now every single pause is gone. Check it out.
Abraham Lincoln was one of America's greatest leaders, but he also had a secret skill.
So now I can move on to the more creative parts of the editing process. At the moment, you can see that my avatar has this boring black background behind it, but the cool thing about VEED avatars is that the backgrounds have already been removed, so you can replace them with whatever you like. So all I'm going to do is go to Media, scroll down to Stock Video, and just search for whatever footage I need. VEED has the entire Storybox library built into the editor, so when you buy a VEED subscription, you also get access to every single piece of footage that Storyblocks has to offer. There's literally thousands of clips here. My video is about the history of the USA, so I'm going to start by typing that into the search box like so. And as you can see, there are lots of different options for clips that I could use. So if I just select this one of the American flag, it adds it down into the timeline. And if I now drag this clip underneath my avatar, you can see that it's now being used as the background, and it actually looks pretty cool. But to make this short more engaging for my audience, I don't just want my avatar on screen speaking for the entire time. That would be a bit boring. So I'm going to use some more stock footage to keep things interesting and add some extra context. I'll just search for whatever I need and add enough clips to cover the project like so, cutting them down to fit the right timings by clicking and dragging the ends. I try to find some clips that match what's being said in the video, so it helps tell the story. And if you can't find some footage that you really need? There is another method. VEED's AI image generator lets you create any picture you want from scratch just by typing in a text description. So in my case, it's obviously going to be quite hard to find some footage of Abraham Lincoln wrestling. So what I'm going to do is type in Abraham Lincoln as a professional wrestler. Then I'll hit generate, and in just a few seconds, it's created a unique image that I can use in my video. So I can just download that, head over to media in the editor, find the image from my computer, hit open, and there it is. I can now just drag it to the right timings, and over on the left, I can also add an animation to it like so, and that just keeps things visually interesting for the viewer. You can also very easily add some effects to your clips by going down to filters, then effects, and you can add any of these presets to your footage. For my history shorts, I like these old school dusty film look, which makes anything look historic. You can also add some stock music in the exact same way as you add stock video. Go to audio, stock music, and you can now search or browse until you find something that suits your video. And all of this music is royalty free, so you won't have any problems getting monetized on YouTube with this audio library. It's the same with the videos as well. So once my music is in the timeline, I can just cut it down to fit. And it's also important to change the audio volume so it doesn't drown out the avatar voice. And I'm going to put mine down to around 20%. And another essential thing that you need to add to your YouTube shorts is subtitles. On-screen text like this can help to engage your viewers even if they're watching with no sound. And you can add animated captions with VEED automatically. Just go over to subtitles, hit auto transcribe, now choose the clip that you want to transcribe, select the language that's being spoken in the video and hit create subtitles. And in just a minute, the AI will listen to all of the speech in your video and add some text to the timeline. So next, you can customize it. By selecting the Style tab at the top, you can choose from lots of different animated presets. You can change the font, you can change the color, the styling. You can also add something like a drop shadow. Whatever you do, just make sure you choose a font and a size that's easy to read on a small screen. And also move your subtitles away from the bottom of the frame. Placing your text closer to the middle of the screen, make sure that it's not covered up by the video title and info in the shorts feed. So in less than 10 minutes, I've made a professional looking YouTube short without recording anything myself. I'm now going to go ahead and export the video, and on this next page, we can take a look at the final product.
Abraham Lincoln was one of America's greatest leaders, but he also had a secret skill. Whilst he was known for his courage and leadership as a politician, he was also a force to be reckoned with in the wrestling ring. With his towering stature and unmatched strength, he often dominated his opponents. In fact, in over 300 matches, he only had one defeat on his record. So that's yet another reason why.
Now, if you want to learn about even more AI tools within the VEED editor, like how to correct your eye contact during a recording or how to remove your video background, you definitely need to check out this video next. And I'll see you guys in the next one.